In this tutorial, we will be securing your PHP web application through WebRanger. For demonstration purposes, we will use a default installation of WordPress as the web application to be protected. Create a WebRanger account. Go to pandoralabs.net/WebRanger and click on the Sign Up button. Fill up the sign-up sheet with your details. After signing up, you will be automatically logged in. Subscribe to WebRanger. If you have not linked any of your websites or web apps to WebRanger, a prompt will ask if you want to add your first web app before proceeding. For this demo, we will be integrating a basic tier WebRanger in the mentioned domain. If you have a promo code, enter it to claim your discount. PayPal will be used for transacting your payment. You will be automatically redirected to this screen. Log into your PayPal account. Review your payment and click Agree and Continue. Fill up the necessary sensor information and hit Submit. The password section here will act as the key for secure communication between your web app and the WebRanger console. The wizard will give you an option to either install WebRanger automatically or manually. In this tutorial, the manual installation will be demonstrated. Click I will install it myself. After successfully adding your first WebRanger, a link in the wizard will appear. Clicking it will download your WebRanger. Install WebRanger to your web app. There will be two items extracted, the user manual and the WebRanger folder. Connect your website via FTP and transfer the extracted WebRanger folder. Once the files are transferred to your website, go to the installation page of WebRanger. If all conditions are met, a hook file is produced by the page. Copy the hook file and attach it to the pages you wish to be monitored. For this example, we are going to hook WebRanger to the wp-load.php file of WordPress. To test WebRanger, we are going to execute a simple and safe XSS script targeting the sample domain. After executing the attack, check the dashboard to see if the attacks were registered. Now, attacks towards your web app will be seen here at the WebRanger console. To learn about blocking attacks, check out our next video for an in-depth tutorial.